going down, motherfucker.
Fighting in blue corner. He's wearing the black, white tap-out trunks. He is a 12-2 fighter. He weighed in at 170. He's representing Twin Dragons from Aberdeen, Washington. Let's hear it for Benji Everson.
Dude, I've watched him fuck so many people up. That's my dog, man. That's my dog, yeah.
He's from here?
Yeah.
Just a street brawler, huh?
Yeah. I've never seen him.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was an awesome fight. Let's give both these guys a hand.